feeling bored today. I think we should go somewhere. Yes, Dad. This summer vacation, we haven't gone anywhere.
Okay, Khushi and Avnish, let's go out today and spend our day in the zoo.
Yes, Dad. Let's go. I'm very excited about the outing. Me too. Dad, I want to see the real animals and birds. Look, Avnish, there are so many colorful parrots. Wow, they are so beautiful. I wonder why they can fly, but we can't.
Birds are amazing creatures, aren't they? They are beautiful and unique. They are found in all parts of the world and have many unique features that help them survive in their habitats. Birds are of different colors too. For example, a parrot is green in color, a crow is black, and a peacock is blue in color.
That's right. Birds have feathers for flight and beaks for eating different types of food.
Mom, why do birds have feathers?
Feathers are like a bird's clothing. They keep them warm, help them fly, and even attract mates during mating season.
Dad, we don't have feathers like birds.
Yes, Khushi, we don't have feathers to fly, but do you know how birds fly?
No, Dad, I don't know. Please tell me.
Sure, Khushi. The body of a bird is shaped like a boat, which helps it float in the air. Birds have wings made of feathers, and these wings function as their arms. The bones of birds are thin and hollow, filled with air, making their bodies light. A lightweight object can go high in the sky. Birds also have strong muscles called flight muscles that are attached to the breastbone, helping them move their wings up and down. The tail of a bird acts like an oar of a boat, helping them to change direction while flying.
Wow, Dad. Birds have many unique features. Can you tell me more about their feathers?
Great question, Khushi. Birds have three main types of feathers, and each type serves a different purpose.
Dad, tell me more. It sounds interesting.
First, we start with down feathers. These are small feathers that cover the whole body of a bird and keep it warm. They are present below body feathers.
Wow. And what's next, Dad?
The second one is flight feathers. These feathers help a bird to fly. They are long and flat, attached to the wings and tail.
And the third one is body feathers. These feathers cover the whole body of a bird. They give shape to the body.
I didn't know that. Oh, how do birds achieve flight? Through wing movements?
Birds achieve flight through two main types of wing movements. When the wings move upwards, the movement is called the upstroke movement. When the wings move downwards, the movement is called downstroke movement.
Look, this bird has a long beak. But why is it different from the others?
Birds have different types of beaks adapted for different diets. A bird uses its beak to catch, hold and eat food. Different birds have different types of beaks. Birds can eat insects, flesh, grain, fruits, and nuts.
Birds are amazing. They don't have teeth, but have beaks.
See, the beak of a sparrow is small, hard, and pointed. This type of beak helps sparrows, pigeons, and finches to eat nuts, seeds, and grains.
Look, Mom, a parrot. Its beak is like a fishing hook.
Yes, Khushi. We call these hooked beaks. Hooked beaks are used to crack nuts and bite hard fruits. A parrot also uses its beak to climb trees.
Look at the eagle over there. Some birds, like hawks, owls, eagles, and vultures have strong, sharp, and hooked beaks. They use it to tear the flesh of the animals they eat.
Look, Mom, a woodpecker is over there.
Yes, Avnish.
Some birds, like woodpeckers, have chisel-shaped, strong and hard beaks. They can make holes with that and catch insects.
What about ducks and swallows?
Ducks have broad and flat beaks. These beaks have holes on either side called strainers. These holes are used to scoop up the muddy water, helping them get food. Some birds, like swallows, have a short but broad beak. Their mouths are sticky inside, so when they fly, insects get stuck in their mouths.
You know, Khushi and Avnish, some birds have long, curved, and slender beaks. Birds like hoopos have these features which help them to pull insects out from holes in the ground and trees. Broad, long, and pointed beaks, like those of kingfishers and storks, help them catch fish from ponds and rivers. They catch the fish with their beak and bring them out of the water.
I didn't even know that birds have different types of beaks. Yes, Mom, me too. But what about their feet and claws? Are they also different like beaks?
Feet and claws are very useful for birds. They help them with catching and eating food. They also protect them from their enemies. Birds have 2 legs with 4 toes on each foot. They use their feet to walk and hop around. They also help them catch food or swim.
Some flesh-eating birds, like vultures and eagles, have strong and sharp claws. These claws are called talons. With the help of these talons, they catch and hold their prey.
Oh, and what about parrot claws?
Parrots and woodpeckers are climbing birds. Climbing birds have 2 toes pointing upwards and 2 toes pointing downwards. These help them to climb up and hold on to the trees.
And what about sparrows?
Sparrows, crows, pigeons, and parrots are perching birds. Perching birds use their feet to hold on to tree branches and sit on them. They have short legs with 3 toes in front and 1 at the back to help them hold on to a branch. They can even sleep while perching.
You know, kids, some birds, like hens and cocks, are scratching birds. They have sharp and hard claws to dig out the ground. They scratch and dig the ground to find insects and buried.
Oh, did you even know that, Avnish? This is so cool. No, Kushi.
Do you know about ducks and crane claws?
No, Mom.
Ducks and swans swim in the water. They are swimming birds and have webbed feet. They have 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. They help them to push back the water while swimming. Cranes are wading birds. This type of bird has long legs with spread out toes that help them move in the water.
Look at the nest made of twigs and leaves. Why do birds build nests?
Birds build nests to lay their eggs and raise their young. Nests protect them from predators and the elements. You know, kids, different kinds of birds make different kinds of nests.
Tell me more, Mom.
Okay, relax. First, we start with the cuckoo. The cuckoo is one such bird that does not make its own nest. It lays its eggs in the nest of a crow or other birds.
And birds like kiwis and ostriches make their nest on the ground and not on trees.
And what about the sparrow and tailor bird?
A sparrow builds its nest on the tree, and the tailor bird stitches leaves to make its nest.
A partridge bird makes its nest on the ground. A weaver bird like Baya weaves its nest using twigs, grass, wool,
etc.
The woodpecker pecks into the tree trunk and makes a hole to build a nest beautifully.
Thanks for teaching us about birds, Mom and Dad. Now we understand why they're so special. Yeah, and I can't wait to learn more about them.
Let's go back home, it's late now.
Sure, let's go back.